Lanai yet, we highly recommend it.
So we come from Kauai, and Lanai is like
even more slow than Kauai. Can you believe?
Kauai is like second gear, I guess. Over here is fifth gear. Kauai is second gear. Lanai is like first gear on the bicycle. It's awesome. From the time we walk from where we're staying to the restaurant, Blue Ginger, we see the same car like 2 or 3 times pass.
Can cruise the
So
strip,
awesome.
yeah, Lanai. It's
Just to,
about 1 minute.
Great place to go just to disconnect from the internet because no more service and just relax, man.
So this is a song we're gonna do from our album Bombay. The song is entitled Aloha Mai Lanai. It was written in honor of a specific man, and his name is Kepa Mali. And when he was a little child, he told us that he was kind of taken and chosen by the kupuna of Lanai. And he was taught the ways and traditions of the old way of life there. And so now we are so grateful for him and so grateful to know and learn from him because he shares with us the way that things used to be on Lanai, and he is the carrier of the traditions of that small island.
And if you guys have a ohana from Lanai and you guys want to find out just anything about Lanai, this is the guy to see. He's over at the Lanai Heritage and Cultural Center, right in town, and we'll see him, talk story with him, because if anybody gonna know, it'll be him.
So song entitled Aloha Mai Lanai for any of you out there who have been to the island. entitled Aloha